These are the 13 AI tools that I've used at my consultants company and my SaaS platform, and also for my day-to-day life. These 13 tools has helped me bring in $62K for my consulting company and have my startup have over 10,000 users. So hey, I'm not saying that I'm the AI know everything, but I think I know one or two things. My consulting company is on pace to do 90 to 100K next month. So hey, this is the 13 tools. You can listen to me right now. Background software engineer major. Now I'm getting my master's at an Ivy League. I grew 7 figures in terms of e-com and even had a startup last year. So I think I know it too. Let's get into the video, okay? The number one tool, depending on where you're at in your consulting journey or your SaaS company, Cursor is the number one AI tool, I would say. Of course, you got ChatGPT, but Cursor is the perfect thing. My devs for my consulting company and for my SaaS company, it helps my devs write code 2 to 3 times faster. And I'm not even kidding. It helps you code, helps you debug, and it gives you kind of like an assistant while coding. We all need assistant all the times. Cursor is made by kids my age, 24, 25, and they're killing it. So shout out to Team Cursor. If you're a dev, use Cursor. If you're trying to learn how to code, vibe code, use Cursor, because why not? It makes custom workflows taking 2 weeks into 5 days. Faster builds meaning faster client wins, and that's huge in the consulting space. It is because speed and efficiency is key. Number 2, NAN. If you know, that's the backbone of the workflow. That's what we use for consulting companies. That's what we use day and night. Not just that, things Zapier, but enterprise grade. It's way better, more complex, more custom. We use it to connect our CRMs, our chatbot, our AI calls, everything. We use NAN to connect everything together and make everything flow and make everything automate. If you're not using NAN and you're trying to have a consulting company or even an agency, what are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. You're late. Every client build we do sits on top of these workflows, so they're not just hacked together. They're built together. They're scalable. NAN workflows go from 1,000, 10,000, 15,000 monthly, depending on who you're working with. So the whole thing is how you package it, and I'll talk more about that in my other videos. You gotta package these NAN workflows as a whole service, a dashboard, UI, make something the clients can log into. Number 3, Vappy or Lindy. The Vappy, we use Vappy for our AI calls, for like our lower ticket calls, or even showing the demo. Lindy is more like a higher ticket, Lindy in the retail. But number 3 is just AI callers, pretty much. We deploy AI receptionists, SDR callers. These agents can book appointments, follow up with leads, qualified prospects 24/7. There's no sleep time. They call, they get data, they put it in Google Sheets, they put it in forms, and they send it out to our clients. For law firm, real estate clients, that's the difference between losing 10K and making 10K. So use the AI caller. Number 4, Claude GPT. We use every day. I don't think we gotta explain too much. Use DeepSeek. Use whatever you want. It's pretty simple. That's our that's our backbone of everything in life is ChatGPT now and Claude. It's really helps with drafting proposal, auditing contracts, writing scopes for work. It's like having a junior analyst on your staff at full time is what having ChatGPT and Claude is. Section 2, we're gonna talk more about running the business. The first section was really about building and automating a lot of stuff, some of the stuff that you guys already know. 2 is about building the business. That's the main thing. That's how you get clients efficient. That's how you scale. And that's how you have a long-term business. The first, Fireflies.ai. I'm sure some of you guys may know, but it records and analyzes every client and sales call. So instead of listening back to 45 minutes recording, it get the key objectives, the analyst, what's needed and what's not needed. And it keys the highlights 40-minute call to just a 2-minute highlight of what the call is about, a quick summary. This helps my team close faster and coach faster. So we're bringing on a new sales rep who can look at all the Firefly files and see what closed and what didn't and what works and what didn't. So there's a quick turnaround time with our clients and our new hires. Number 6, Airtable AI. I'm sure you guys know Airtable is kind of like Google Sheets a little bit. Airtable is kind of like our command center. We track every client, every project, every deliverable. Airtable is literally the clothes on our back. The AI columns classify transcripts, tag objections, and even highlight upsell opportunities within our client. It's like Salesforce, but lightweight and smarter. Airtable is key when you're scaling past the 10, 20K months. You can use Google Sheets, you can use other platforms, but Airtable is the best in terms of clear, direct, and efficient. Number 7, Notion AI. Notion AI is, if Airtables are closed, Notion AI is my heart. It's beating. Notion AI is where we house all our SOPs, our client onboarding docs, my life training. It keeps the firm efficient, quick, and scalable. If we hire a new project manager, they can be running up and running the whole business within a couple of days because our Notion has everything there. It's the playbook of how we run our AI consulting company, and it's thanks to Notion. Number 8, Gemini Deep Research for consulting projects. Gemini Deep Research is a cheat code. I can ask what's the state of the AI adoption in a legal firm in 2025. It will give me an update. It will pull hundreds of sources, summarize, and get me ready to ship the report. Gemini Deep Research is probably the best in my opinion. It saves us thousands from analyst hours per client, and it saves the client money as well. Next one, Tile Desk. AI chatbots that convert. A lot of people, they want AI calls, but they sometimes forget about the AI chatbots, which are essential. Imagine a chatbot on a website that doesn't just answer FAQs, but actually book consultation, book calls, and book the things that's actually needed for a company to succeed. And they sync with WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger. That's what Tiledesk does. It keeps the prospects engaged the moment they show interest. And that's that you can add on the website too. So everything's connected to one and it sends reports to the client just like that. Next is Looker Studio. We use Looker Studio. We also make our own, but it's kind of like return on investment at a glance. Executives, they don't want spreadsheets. They want insight. They want to see with their eyes what's converting, what's working. Looker Studios creates live dashboards that show exactly how many leads came in, how many converted, what revenue was generated. And when you show return on investment visually, you stop being a cost and start being an investment. It's the biggest thing. You start being a partner in their business. They don't think of it like, oh, it's just costing me so much. Think about it, oh, we need them. Next is Revelance AI. You can build your own AI agents. This is kind of like a long-term effect. This tool lets you create fully customizable AI agents in minutes. And I'm not talking about simple workflows. I'm talking about deep in like the agent space. No needing by no code. You can build an AI agent for a paralegal for law firms, what we're doing right now. You can build a quote bot. You can build an AI financial analyst for finance companies and an AI HR assistant for AR departments. There's so much you can make with this platform, and this is what you're doing. The consultant side, higher ticketed clients, 10K plus is what you're working with here. Next, Runway, next gen AI video. 2025 content is trust. So I just say Runway, HeyGen, Arcadia's AI. You make all these AI videos and you need B-roll, explainer videos. Instead of paying $5,000 for someone to shoot some shit, you got an AI that can do it in seconds. That's why I say any of these AI video generators works perfect, but that's the key. And lastly, Perplexity Pro AI market research. This is the key platform that people sometimes forget about. Perplexity is like Google on steroids. It's like everything that you wanted when you was a kid now. Instead of scrolling through 50 tabs, you type a business question, it comes in seconds. What's the adoption rate of AI in the legal industry? It gives you a source, synthesized answer, and it's so perfect. For consulting projects, it's the fast way to get insights that make you look like you're McKinsey. Stop trying to be an agency, brand yourself as McKinsey, Deloitte, KPMG. So, boom, I give y'all a list of tools. I forgot what number I'm at. Real quick video, like I said. Got lead gen, sales, fulfillment, reporting, branding, infrastructure. Also go high level too. I thought you gotta know that, but that's about all. I'm dropping a 3-4 hour course video sometime this week. You want more, comment below, join the Whoop community or join the Telegram chat. And yeah, man, we're out. I got hurt, it's getting dark. I gotta get too late before it's late. But 1% of y'all is gonna start this business. If y'all don't start, I don't care. That's all I gotta say. So start now before it's too late and it's oversaturated, because this is the biggest opportunity since Bitcoin. Ciao.